Hello and welcome to another Pocket Beats video where we look at compact beat production. And in this video you're looking at the iPad mini with GarageBand running some drum kits from a producer pack. I just downloaded it, the producer pack for Boys Noise, and this is the analog drive preset. I actually don't know all that much about GarageBand, but I'm going to talk my way through this video the best that I can. So I really loved the interface. At the moment I'm just playing with the velocity and having that, touch screen and a nice bit of visual feedback for those types of things has worked really well. And now it's time to play with a concept that I really got into after making beats on the Teenage Engineering OPZ, which is having uneven loop lengths in the same beat. So on a specific instrument, instead of counting all the way through the bar or two bars, you just count to a certain number of steps instead, and you can create overlapping polyrhythms or cross rhythms, and every now and then you find some really, really interesting patterns that I think work well. Alright, let's try out something else that I downloaded. In this case, I think that a lot of these sounds might need a little more subtlety to them, so playing with the velocity settings is going to be very important. So lower velocity, lower volume, basically, how hard it's getting hit. And I think, the interface for that works really well. Just being able to visually see everything and quickly make adjustments works really well. Okay, let's try another one of these Boys Noise sound packs. Yeah, this feels like a bit of an opportunity to go a bit outside of my comfort zone. Let's see how it sounds. We can also do some randomization here. So if you want to randomize velocity, you can randomize that. If you want to randomize if a note plays or not, you can randomize that. You can randomize the chance. I think just about anything in that menu down the bottom. If you'd like to randomize it, you can, which is really cool. Right, maybe we're going to check out if there's something else here. Yes, there's one more. Let's give that a listen. And I think this is where I'm going to make the best use of the chance function. So I'm reducing the chance on most of them by randomizing the chance. You could see some of them were very low, so that extra percussive sound down the bottom isn't over dominating the space. It's still a little unpredictable, but hopefully a nice addition to the overall result. And I'm just giving the same treatment to those open hi-hat sounds that are quite loud, so the end result with them as well is unpredictable but tasteful. And having gotten through all of the sounds here, I'll go back to my favorite. Oh yeah, definitely missing that kick drum there. And maybe one more somewhere to make it a little bit more interesting. That's the one. I'm going to make use of that velocity slider again, just to make sure that those leading up kicks are just a little softer so that they blend in more naturally. And so once you've got something you like in GarageBand, you just hit the record button there, and you can see when you tap the button at the top of the screen, up the top left, as I'm going to in just a moment, we'll see that what's being recorded here, including those, randomizations and things like that, is getting recorded into this sequence up the top. And so you can see that we've had a slightly, more unpredictable but tasteful layout of all those notes. I hope you enjoyed that video. I will talk to you again soon.